Plane atid sa inyo ng Santa Ana Park at Saddles and Clubs Leisure Park.
Away they go. Common goal, fast to begin, followed by Ravishing Rafi by the Stone Face alongside Doña Marucha, my lucky one. On the further outside is picked up by the round is Parut Mo Jinja, while Jokes Only is the early trailer. Common goal, Soundface, Ravishing Rafi, Doña Marucha, my lucky one is racing fifth by the round, picked up Parut Mo third last Jinja, and Jokes Only still running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Common goal, Stoneface, fighting around for the lead. Ravishing Rafi is racing in third, my lucky one, Parut Mo. Rounding the far turn, Common goal, Ravishing Rafi, rushing up from the outside, is Stoneface by the round, my lucky one, Parut Mo. Doña Marucha picked up Jokes Only, and Jinja is now running at the tail of the field. Passing the 400 and going to the final corner. Common goal, Ravishing Rafi on the outside, Stoneface. Parut Mo together by Doña Marucha picked up my lucky one. On the outside, Jokes Only. Entering the last 200, Common goal, Ravishing Rafi by the round, my lucky one, Parut Mo picked up Doña Marucha. But still Common goal, followed by Ravishing Rafi by the round, my lucky one. And finally, Common goal, my lucky one, close for third. Parut Mo, Ravishing Rafi, Duncan, picked up Jokes Only, Doña Marucha, Stone.